photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests.
Through grass, through ambered cornfields, our slow stream, fringed with its flags and reeds and rushes tall, and meadowsweet, the chosen of them all, by wandering children, yellow as the cream. That's nice.
Thank you.
Ladies' bed straw.
Was a popular choice for bedding, thanks to its soft and springy quality and pleasant scent. When dried, it smells of hay. Also, it has an astringent quality, which may also have brought it into the bed against fleas. According to one medieval legend, the Virgin Mary herself gave birth whilst lying on a bed of ladies' bed straw and bracken. Bracken refused to acknowledge the baby Jesus, and in doing so lost its flower. Ladies' bed straw, however, bloomed in recognition. As it did so, its flowers changed from white to gold.
Once used to coagulate cheese.
What does coagulate mean?
Gel it.
Oh, wow. Yes, you too. I'm not going to hurt her. I'm not going to hurt her.